If you want, you can have everything inbuilt within the other features as well. But if you want also, you can have access to them individually. For example, for this one, we have the spell checker. You can also go ahead and check it by coming to quillbot.com/spell checker, and it will bring you over here. Or alternatively, you can come to the bottom of any of your Quillbot page. You can come down here and see free grammar tool, and you can have it over here, spell checker. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. So when you are in doubt, spell check it out. If you want to write something professional and you are in doubt about the spelling, you can just go ahead and check it out. Paste it here and it's going to correct it for you. So let's just try to write something and spell it wrongly. You see, we've spelled this congratulations wrongly, and let's see whether it's going to easily identify it. Yeah, you can see it's already detected that there's one word and it's spelled wrongly. Okay. You can easily go ahead and check it and correct it if you want by just selecting, and you can see the corrected one, congratulations, and you can correct it just like so. You can check out the benefits. Every day is every day. People spell it every day, but then the correct one is every day. And this is the benefit of using punctuation. It's using correct spelling. When you spell wrongly, it's bad for your business. It makes you look careless at work if you are spelling mistakes, and it can even affect your dating life in cases when you write with wrong punctuation, wrong spellings. You can create very wrong or bad impression to your partner. Okay, so this is exceptionally useful. You can easily use it to correct all of your mistakes and errors, spelling errors. So let's give an example of that and just copy a text somewhere. So let's try to copy this text and see if there's any spelling error. Let's take a look at this text. There's some intentionally made spelling errors, and you can see it is able to detect about 16 errors. You can see different kind of errors, like this stored is supposed to be store, and he is supposed to be is like this. And then it is also, it's supposed to be it faster, cause it faster than this. So than is not supposed to be then. You can say than, okay, something like that. So in there, okay, you can see this is the correct one. So we just long is supposed to be long. So you can do the correction on your own manually. You can check the spelling and do them manually. But if you like, you can as well take a look at this professionalism. This is wrong, so you can correct it like that, or with just a simple click you can fix everything within one click, and everything is now fine and perfect. So you can see how good the spelling, the Quillbot is when it comes to spelling, checking the spellings of your content. If you want to create anything, you can use that. You can use that to spell check your content very nicely. If you're writing a paper, for conference paper or journal paper, you can always take in the content and paste in here to do spell checking.